And right now I am headed to my classroom to finish packing up. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Marily Sanchez, and I'm a fourth grade teacher in South Florida who is currently on summer break. And right now, I am headed to my classroom to finish packing up. So let's get this done. Just made it into my classroom. I went to the office to check in and meet with the principal. And she let me know two things. One, there's not enough gifted students next year to have two fourth grade gifted classes. So I'm going to have all of the gifted students. Number two, she really can't find anyone to replace me as grade level chair because I was going to step down just to kind of get a little bit of a break. But she was telling me that she just couldn't find anyone. And I told her, I'll be okay with being grade level chair again. And she's like, I knew you would. So I'm going to still be grade level chair next year. I'm going to still be self-contained fourth grade gifted. And my co-teacher, my partner that did the other gifted class, she's just going to have the team class, which is your high level learners that don't qualify for gifted, but they have high scores. So she'll have that. All right. So that was my little bit of news this morning coming in, but I need to start working on this classroom library and I need to start taking it apart. So I'm gonna go bookshelf by bookshelf, take all the books out, put the bookshelves on top of the cabinets. Now I was trying to do that, but I don't like it that way, and I think it'll fit fine if it's just a regular way, not on its side. So I'm just gonna turn it back around. And I should be able to fit two more of those next to it. And then the other ones will be stacked up on top of these. So let's see how I get that all accomplished. I'm also going to take all my decorations, my Harry Potter decorations. I'm going to just put them in a box or so and take them home, not leave them in the classroom, since our school will be used for summer school. And I want to make sure that I know where my things are and they don't lose their place. So let me get started because I'm pretty sure they're going to close the school early. That's one thing I forgot to ask her. Maybe I can just call her right now in her office and just ask her. But I'll work until they kick me out today. And if I have to come in tomorrow after my workout class, then I'll come in tomorrow. All right, let's get working. Time for an update. I got all the bookshelves from the library except the taller ones up on the cabinets here. The other ones, which are like 4 of them, I'm going to put in the corner by the sink, but I still need to clear that area up. I rolled up the carpet. There it is. And as you can see, this area is now cleared of the bookshelves. And the bookshelves are now up there. So that's where they are. My campfire bookshelf is there. I just put all the twinkle lights in that container because I had fed it from the back to the front and I didn't want to unfeed it and then have to refeed it for the beginning of the school year, so I just left it there. And those are all my library books, and these bookshelves have double, like back and front for the chapter books on top of here and on top of here and here too a little bit. So still have all the stuff to put away, still have these 4 bookshelves to put back there, but for now I'm going to take this plastic and I'm going to cover my skyline, my Hogwarts skyline, so that it doesn't get messed up in the summer while the custodians are cleaning the classroom, because I don't want to have to redo that whole entire thing that took me so long to do last year. I'm also going to take a little bit of a break. I've been working for about 2 or 3 hours, probably nonstop, and I'm a little thirsty, so I'm gonna go downstairs to the vending machine and get some water. And I'm getting more stuffy and clogged up because of all the dust and the cleaning that I'm doing as I go along. So a break is definitely needed. Okay, so let me go ahead and do that and I'll catch up with you a little bit later. It's now update time. It's 5 p.m. I did as much as I could. I'll show you because some of the things that I was planning to do tomorrow, I actually ended up doing today because my mom came by with the boys and she's been a really big help. Thank you, Mama.
Welcome, lady.
So now check out the corner that used to be my classroom library. I did cover it with clear plastic so that those boards, especially that one in the corner, doesn't get messed up. And I stacked up all the desks and chairs, which makes it easy for the custodians to take it outside of the classroom because that's where my door is. And they can just take it out when they're getting ready to do the floors. I took down a lot of the decorations that I had around the computer. I still have to take my lamp. I'm taking Hedwig home. Later on, I will be taking all my Funko Pops because I'm not leaving them in the classroom. And there's a couple of things that I'm taking home. Those are empty boxes. I'm taking all my pillows and my stuffed animals and stuff in here. The pillows, not these, but the ones at the bottom that the kids use. Those are gonna get cleaned up. And this is the mess that I have left over to sort through and organize. I have these plastic 3-drawer carts. They're Sterilite carts. Those I'm going to try and put up there and maybe one in there. I still have to clear up the kidney table. I still have to go through all of this, and these bookshelves are pretty much stacked, the ones that are brown. The dark ones are pretty much empty so I can put stuff on there. I stacked up my iReady books up there, and this will be covered with plastic as well so they're protected, as well as all of these bookshelves too. The last thing that I'm probably going to tackle is this horrible mess that is around my desk area. And I also have to sort through all of these things that are here. I am taking my bear home for the summer. We're going to remove all his stuffing, wash him, restuff him. He needs extra stuffing, so it's a good idea to just get it over with in the summer. So some of these things need to get stacked and put away. My Genius Plaza suitcase with all my tech, that goes home with me. Not today, but I'll take it another time. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm working with. I did a lot today. And oh yeah, I'm gonna take my over the door basketball hoop with me at some point. Not today because I'm taking a lot of things right now. And that's basically what my classroom now looks like. And we're just gonna go ahead and finish as I go along. Hopefully I get to knock it out tomorrow. So that's all I have for you for our classroom pack up after school is out during my summer break kind of day. But I just feel better knowing that I can come after school is out to still work in my classroom and not have that pressure looming over me, especially with all the things that we have to do at the closing of the year. So I hope you enjoy coming along with me on this little vlog on packing up my classroom and what I'm doing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment down below, let me know what you thought or any questions you may have. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell for notifications so you don't miss any future videos. I hope you have a beautiful, magical day, and don't forget to smile. Hello, dreamers, wishers, and magical thinkers. Thank you so much for making it to the very end of this video and for showing your support. If you'd like to subscribe, you can do so by clicking on my picture down here. You can also check out my latest videos here and here. Don't forget to believe in the magic that's inside you because you are capable of great things. See you next time.